Ladies and gentlemen, now we will explain the chapter 14 of Heshoutang natural health system. It is called About Fever from Flu. In fact, the fever from flu, like the inflammation, is well known by almost everybody. And everybody knows what it means. But today, the information what we will give you is something different, as you know too. The fever belongs to self-protection or recovery system of your body. This point, most people can understand it. And this point tells you the fever is good. The only thing is the fever not too much. Okay? In fact, when the people catch flu, the fever, what happens? In natural health, when the people catching flu, it means the wind and cold, or the wind and heat is attacking your body. In conventional medicine, it says virus. But most people, they cannot find the virus in their body, even though they have the flu symptoms. Okay. So when the wind and cold, or when the wind and heat is attacking your body self-recovery system, including your immune system, okay, will fight against those enemies, like wind and cold, or wind and heat. When they fight, the fever happens. That is the explanation of fever from natural health. Okay? So your body fighting for what? For driving those kind of enemies out of your body. Out of your body. So if you want recovery, what is the correct thing you should do? The correct thing is not reducing the fever directly. It is you need remove the wind and cold, or wind and heat. Or we can see remove the virus. Okay? And then your fever will come down itself. Okay? The fever is the stress response of your body to fight against the enemies. You know, the other days, when we talking about the diabetes, we said for diabetes patients, high blood sugar level is a stress response of your body. In heart of natural health system, if we call it is a stress response, it means it should happen. It should happen. Whatever the sugar level high, whatever the fever, the high blood pressure, whatever, it should happen. Sure, cannot be so much. As we said before, if too much high sugar level, yeah, it will damage you. But for high sugar level, how we can know it is damaging your body? Dizziness. If you have high sugar level and you have dizziness, this means they're damaging you. They are hurting your body. Okay? So the fever also. Fever cannot be so high. If too much high, well, that could be a problem. But anyway, if we see it is a stress response, that means the body should have this kind of responses or should have this kind of situation. If you want to remove it or stop it, you need to know how stop it correctly. Fever, right? You cannot just reduce fever directly with some therapies. Okay? The correct way is drawing out of wind and cold, drawing out of wind and heat, or even the virus out of your body. Okay? That is correctly. So it's like here we said, bring down the fever only without removing enemies. Enemies for here, it's like wind and cold, wind and heat, or we can see virus. Okay? It's not right. Okay? To remove enemies or help your body to remove enemies, the fever will go down itself. How help? Make your own immunity strong. Make your own immune system strong. Okay? In the natural health, there are the specific ways for making stronger, for driving out of, for driving wind and cold or wind and heat out of your body. The natural health has complete methods or solutions for that. It is from thousands of years ago. Okay? I just can give you example for you to understand. Okay? If you catch fever, if you got fever from the wind and cold flu, okay, from the wind and cold flu, generally you will have the runny nose, a headache, and tight the necks, or even you can have the phlegma or the cough, or all of the body like muscle pains. You could have that, but you will have no sweating. No sweating. If you have no sweating, this is wind and cold attacking you. Like this, what will help? Ginger is hot. Hot for cold. Cold for hot. So you use the ginger, this kind of hot, we can see food or herbs, okay? Boil the ginger and brown sugar tea, take it, and the wind and cold enemy, it can be driving out of your body, and then your flu will stop. Okay, sure, the ginger and brown sugar tea will also make your body stronger, will make your immune system stronger. It doesn't, the ginger tea does not dismiss your sugars directly. It helps your body to drive the vein and cold, those kind of enemies, out of your body. After doing that, your fever will disappear. Your headache will disappear. Okay? Your running nose will stop. Okay? Yeah, so this is the information what we need to tell every people today about fever from flu. Okay? Thank you.